What's up, you guys? Today we've got a beautiful day, and today we're going to be cleaning up the air filters on the C63. So we already got everything disassembled, pretty much. All that's left is to open up the air boxes with a T25 right there. So let's get these open. Let's see what condition they're in, because I haven't cleaned them up in about a year. So let's see how bad they are. Hopefully they're in pretty good shape. Okay guys, we got the filters out. So they're actually kind of dirty. We're definitely gonna have to clean these out and wash them properly, because they are, yeah, they're full of stuff. Like, it's been a year that I've cleaned them out. They got a lot of dust and dirt in them. Same thing with the housing. Got to clean up all that. So let's wash everything, dry it out, and get it back installed on the car. Okay, there, and just like that, the air boxes are clean, more or less, and the air filters are now back to being fully clean. That's it. No dust, no debris inside of them. No nothing. That's it. Now it's good. Alright, let's get everything reassembled. Let's get everything reassembled, screwed back in, and installed back inside the car. Alrighty then, guys, and just like that, we got air filters clean, everything reassembled. Boom. Come on, click. Yes, that's it, all good. So now the engine can breathe some fresh air. All right, guys, hope you enjoy this quick little vlog. I'll see y'all tomorrow. Peace.